Duke and Duchess of Sussex, who stepped down from their active roles in the royal family in 2020, have signed an open letter from the People's Vaccine. The coalition demands coronavirus vaccines, treatments and tests be freely available to everyone, everywhere. A letter from the People's Vaccine was released on Friday afternoon, calling for an end to vaccine monopolies from Western countries. Harry and Meghan, alongside more than 130 former world leaders, Nobel laureates, scientists and others, signed the open letter calling for urgent action to vaccinate low- and middle-income countries and bring an end to the COVID-19 pandemic. The letter criticizes the EU, UK, Germany and Switzerland for continuing to block the lifting of intellectual property rules which would enable the redistribution and scale-up of COVID-19 vaccine, test and treatment manufacturing in the Global South. It then makes 5 demands to world leaders to urgently agree and implement a global roadmap to deliver the WHO goal of fully vaccinating 70% of people by mid-2022. Maximize the production of safe and effective vaccines and other COVID-19 products by suspending relevant intellectual property rules. Invest public funding now in a rapid and massive increase in vaccine manufacturing as well as research and development, R&D, capacity. Make COVID-19 vaccines, treatments and tests provided free of charge to everyone, everywhere, and allocated according to need. Scale up sustainable investment in public health systems to ensure that low- and middle-income country governments have adequate resources. The open letter goes on to warn, the pandemic is not over, and blamed self-defeating nationalism, pharmaceutical monopolies and inequality for not vaccinating the world against COVID. It then added, the transfer of largely publicly funded vaccine technology and know-how from pharmaceutical corporations would fast-track production to a matter of months. Yet still today, a handful of these corporations retain the power to dictate vaccine supply, distribution and price, and the power to decide who lives and who dies. The UK has vowed to donate 100 million coronavirus vaccine doses within the next year to low-income countries as part of at least 1 billion doses due from the G7. Earlier on Friday, the Duke and Duchess Archewell Foundation officially partnered with the People's Vaccine, with investment into the coalition. In a statement, the People's Vaccine said, "We are proud to welcome Archewell Foundation to the alliance and appreciate their support, alongside Prince Harry and Meghan, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. We will work together to end vaccine inequity and ensure COVID-19 vaccines, treatments plus tests are available to everyone." They added Archewell's support will go toward the alliance's ongoing campaigns and efforts to secure fair vaccine access for low- and middle-income countries. Earlier on Friday, the Duke and Duchess Archewell Foundation officially partnered with the People's Vaccine, with investment into the coalition.